So Italy is a very strong market when it comes to small and mid-sized enterprises, and actually the small businesses are the core of an economy. In Italy, we have more than 6 million registered businesses. Every year, more than 300,000 people decide to open a business. More than 3 million are self-employed, freelancers, free professions, so a single business person. And we believe with ING Italia that it is time to serve them in the right way with digital banking made for the doers and the makers. Dealing with a bank, unfortunately, still very often is lengthy. It requires patience. Sometimes you need to even consider opening hours. And then while having a business is a great thing, it already requires a lot of administrative steps. For instance, when you open a business, you can today very often not just do it with one click. It requires up to 7 to 10 actual real days in your life to get done with all the administrative steps. And banking very often takes also quite some time. And we think this shouldn't happen. You should, when you decide to have a business, when you want to grow your business, when you want to turn it around, a bank should be a proactive and, as far as possible, digital partner at your side. It should be trustable, it should actually provide you with the right products, and it should empower you to grow and to not permanently be thinking about what did I forget. We believe that banking, particularly banking for the small businesses, the starters, should be very simple. So we decided, after speaking with those businesses, it requires 5 products. It requires a current account, a card. It requires a point of sale, ideally a digital point of sale. There should be a cyber protection because we're living in a digital environment. All the businesses are. And there should also be a flexible savings account, because if you have free cash flow, why not earn a little bit of additional money for your business? 5 products, and we give it to you with one signature, and we give it to you in a fast-paced onboarding. It should not take much longer than one Americano to complete, to open this business banking account and this business banking package called Arancio Business. I do speak with our clients, even though many banks don't really have the day-to-day contact, particularly digital players. I do have conversations with my clients, and many of them were surprised how quick they could get onboarded. Second of that is the soft point of sale, which is an important element in Italy, because now with the taxation regulation changes, it becomes mandatory to have advanced electronic payment systems available for every business. So having that one included and not having to think about it is an additional very important point. And then for sure the cyber protection, because cyber risk is out there for every business. It doesn't stop at your door. It doesn't stop at their website. Having that one included creates an additional level of, hey, that is a great asset to have, and I didn't even think of it, especially with the starters. If I put myself in the shoes of a business owner who wants to have a good business banking provider, a good business bank, then I look next to a great product offer, next to a good price, I look also into 2 additional things. Number 1 is, can I trust? Does this bank know what is happening in the market? And number 2, the human touch. Does this bank also provide me with human help, a person, when I really need it, and only then? Because I don't have a lot of time having my business or starting my business. And fortunately, ING Italia and business banking, Arancio Business, can provide both. We have more than 25 years of experience in this market, and we have more than 3 million businesses in Europe that trust us across multiple markets. We know what we're doing, and we have a network of Arancio stores with more than 300 people available in this country, and we're growing it. And if you have a challenge, you can go to one of the Arancio stores. And if you don't want to go there, you call us. That's also okay, and you can speak to a person, and we're happy to help you when you need it.